often you call in the broker and they already posted load for way higher price, but they still trying to sell for you for cheaper? I'm so sick and tired of this because as a pro dispatcher, when somebody calls you, well, you gonna find them on that load board. And today it happens again with my favorite, Scotland Logistics. And it's not just Scotland, it's TQL, it's every broker. They post the load for 3,800, 4,000, but they're gonna try to sell to you for 3,500. Listen to this conversation and please put comment, does it happen to you? And if it does, that means you are checking what's really going on. But how many dispatchers are not going and posting that and seeing, well, this load is coming from McAllen, going to Oklahoma. Go really fast and put Oklahoma in that search and you're gonna see whoever's paying what. This is a part of being pro dispatcher, because if you're not doing this, you're always going underbook your trucks. Become a pro. The next class coming in July. But let's listen to this nonsense. Put like, comment, and share.
And it goes to the Walmart Sam's Club up there.
How fast are they gonna load us?
Honestly, it's fast. Usually it's within 2 hours, which is crazy fast for produce.
Only drive 10 hours, so it is 10-hour run. So if something's gonna go wrong, I mean, we're not gonna be able to make it at 6 a.m. delivery. So till what time Walmart's gonna receive?
If you miss your appointment, you know how Walmart is, they'll make you reschedule for the next morning. They give you 2 hours grace period on either side of the appointment, though, so they'd give you till 8 o'clock to get up there. But
how much are you paying for this?
Trying to be around, like, it's tough because, I mean, I paid $3,000 a couple times earlier this week to run it, even though it was DOT week. I'm getting stuck paying a little more. I'm trying to be around like 35.
35?
That's me losing already. Yeah, it's only 600 loaded miles.
Yeah, I know. I love Scotland. You probably have a special webinars on how to lie, because you already posted it for 3,800. So you're still trying to cover it for 35, huh? I love you guys. That's why I don't like to work with Scotland. I will give you my post.
Hey, you can't hate me for trying to save myself a little bit.
I don't hate you. I just really honestly think that it's BS because you posted for 38. I asking you. I don't sound like I'm desperate. You know I'm gonna check, and you still trying to screw me over $300. So in this case,
hey,
dear Mr. Broker, find somebody who's gonna do it for you in the future, especially on a Saturday. Don't try to pull this shit because people do check what you already posted, and it makes me feel kind of really shitty now. Seriously. But thank you for phone call. Love you. Bye. Already posted 3,800, 4,000, our dear Scotland Transport Logistics. And what they trying to do? Well, they try to find desperate dispatcher who is not gonna check what's going on and start from 3,500.
Hey, it's me again. Can I apologize and we can book the load and you can pick your rate?
You can apologize, definitely. You can apologize to all the truckers in USA.
I'm sorry that I tried to pull a fast one, but I'm losing my ass on these loads today. So I would really appreciate it if you could forgive me and help me out with this one, please.
Yeah, I forgive you, but unfortunately, because we had so many phone calls, I covered the truck. But thank you for calling and apologizing. We've forgiven you.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a great weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.